I'm a savage. Choke 'em, shoot 'em, stab 'em. What? That's how it goes.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys new ways in applying your makeup. I learned these ways through TikTok. So I learned a lot of ways to apply your makeup differently through TikTok. But for the sake of this video, I decided to just pick out the 3 best ones that I personally liked. So if you guys want to see those 3 new techniques, then just keep on watching.
3, 2, 1, go!
I just posted a makeup tutorial on catfish makeup. There's a lot going on in that one video, so I just wanted to simplify everything. So starting off with our base, I already did foundation. So with concealer, I really wanted to show everyone how application does a lot and it can really change your face. On the right side, I did typical Instagram makeup application, but I think if you really focus your concealer to brighten and target certain areas, it can really change things up. I think this concealer application is way better for lifting the face. It looks way more snatched this way in my opinion. I'm just going in with this powder and powdering the whole face. Next, I'm baking just the areas where we apply the concealer. I hope you will give it a try. Stay tuned for the next video.
First TikTok method was to shave my eyebrows, and as you guys can see, I did shave my eyebrows off already. So I couldn't find the video that I wanted to upload on here from TikTok. So basically what this fox eye brow technique is basically just shaving off the tail of your brow, and instead of drawing your eyebrow where you usually draw it, you draw it a bit higher up, giving you the effect of eyebrow lift. And as you guys can see, I apply concealer underneath the brow, and to clean up the top of my brow, I use my foundation. And I honestly love the effect that it gives because back then I used to do concealer above and below.
So I'm going to show you guys how I used to overdraw my lips versus now, because I've discovered some tricks that literally have just changed the game for me. So this is how I used to do it. I would just overdraw the top lip and it looked too heavy. I didn't like it. So what I do now is I go in a round shape. So I go straight across the Cupid's bow and then on the center of the bottom lip. So just focusing on the center of your upper and bottom lip, not the sides. Then I contour my lips and I add my lipstick. And now this next part literally has changed the game, okay? Take a Q-tip and you go against the sides of the lip and you make it shorter. And oh my gosh, your upper lip looks so much bigger and so much more natural. Kind of like an Instagram filter, but cute. You know what I'm saying? Like, oh, I love it so much. Try it out. Let me know what you think.
So I guess I didn't even notice this, but she didn't use concealer. But yeah, I saw this video from her and I was like, what the heck, I have to try this out. So this is the finished look. What do you guys think? The lips are kind of cute, but I don't feel like it's gonna work for me because let's say if I do close my lips like this, concealer wouldn't do that again because when I close my lips, it erases. I really do love rounding out the lips on top and the bottom. And another thing that I did not like was the fact that you just applied concealer right here and right here. I use my concealer to correct and cover and highlight, and I feel like with this is just for highlighting, and I feel like I just left the whole patch right here that was not covered by either my foundation or my concealer, and this area right here looked a bit off until I applied the blush, but I do like the concealer down here, so I might actually try that in my usual makeup routine. My eyebrows do seem a little bit too high for my liking, but let me know down in the comment section which technique was your favorite. 1, 2, or 3 in the comment section. So this is the makeup I use every day. So what do you guys think? Do you guys like the makeup that I use every day? Or do you guys like TikTok's version of doing your makeup? Let me know down in the comments. But yes, this is how I do my makeup every day. I'm just gonna do like a little side by side so you guys can see the difference. So this is the end of my video. Hopefully you guys liked it. Let me know down in the comments what videos you guys would like to watch next. Oh yeah, by the way, I forgot to mention. So shout out to this person right here for commenting on my last video. If you guys don't know, I'm doing like these secret emoji shout outs. So if you guys do end up watching the end of my video, I leave like a secret emoji. And then if anyone comments that secret emoji, they get a shout out in my next video. So this time, today's secret emoji is this one right here. But shout out to this person right here for commenting that emoji. And thank you for all the love on my return back to YouTube. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.